guys, welcome to this new video. I'm so excited today. Today's video will talk about how to get your first client, your first meeting, how to set up your first call to get your first SMMA client, how make your client pays you $1,500, euros or pounds. I don't know where you live, guys. Monthly this year, all right? Okay. But first, I want to start by something very important, like a very simple principle. You have to take actions. I know it's something easy. When someone tells you, okay, you need to take action, you're like, yeah, I know, it's basics. Yeah, it's basics, guys. And I see so many people on different Facebook groups about social media marketing agency. They're on these groups for already like 5-6 months, all right? And they still ask the same simple questions. Oh guys, how should I choose my niche? How to set up a call? Does anyone have a script? Or like, that's not how it works, all right? You have to take actions. There is no magic script. There is better script than other ones that you can use where you can take inspiration, all right? That's allowed, of course, no problem. But what I wanted to tell you is that acting is the base of every success. I never met any successful people who never took actions. Like, a lot of people are just talking. They're like, yeah, I'm gonna do this, I have to do this, oh, I will do that tomorrow. Procrastination, tomorrow. Sometimes it's not procrastination. Sometimes people are just scared. They're just like, I'm not good at cold calling. I'm scared. I'm scared to being rejected. I'm scared of. Yeah, it's part of the game, guys. But the more you'll try, the more you'll train your cold calls, the better you will be, guys. I promise you. You have to stop questioning yourself. Okay, you really have to take actions. And when you will take actions, that's where you will see results. That's what I wanted to say in the beginning of this video. Alright, so now the main subject of this video, how to sign your first client this year, alright? To get a new client, there's 5 steps to sign a new client. The first one, before everything, I will tell you how to select your niche. The second one is the cold call. The third one is the preparation to the meeting, very important one. A lot of salesmen, a lot of marketers forgot about this point. The meeting and the close. That's the 5 points to launch a client. Of course, there is a 6th one. It's all the stuff that you do after you sign your clients, like setting up a ClickFunnels, Facebook advertising, etc. But we'll not talk about this today. So, how to select your niche? There is 2 conditions for a niche to be good. Okay, good or great. Okay, so the first point is that in this niche there is money. So the owner of the business can pay you. So that's a very important one. And the second one is, I think, even more important, is that you must have knowledge about the niche you wanted to make marketing for. For example, like I like gyms. Okay, I'm working out like every day, like maybe 5 or 6 times a week, and I know how this world works. Okay, I know how to find clients, what type of clients, what type of gyms. I know all the basics about gyms, how it works, etc, because I'm the first client of this type of businesses. All right, so pick up a niche that you have knowledge about. If you're in real estate, for example, if you have knowledge in that, if you had a course about that or something like this, go, because you know the niche. All right. This is very important, because if you come to a place that you don't know anything about, it will be hard to convince the owner that you can do something for them if you don't even know like what he's doing, all right, or how it works. So that was the 2 main points, I guess, about how to select your niche. If you guys interested into a list of niches or like different businesses that have money and so you just have to pick up one. Just send me an email or a DM on YouTube or Instagram. You will find the links in the description, and I will send you the list of businesses that have money. So guys, if you're interested into this list, please let me know. Just send me an email, just DM me on Instagram. So now that you picked up your niche, the second point is the cold calling. So some of you will ask me like, oh Tim, why do you prefer why do you cold call instead of email, cold emailing and something like this? I will simply respond to you that I tried both of them. I tried cold emailing and I tried cold calling, and I found that like when you cold call someone, you can share emotions, you can have an answer right away, you can ask any questions you want like right away on the phone, and you can set up a meeting like in 2 minutes. By cold emailing, you have to find your email address, you have to personalize every single email, and you have to wait for the answer, etc., etc. It's too long, and I had so much better results since I stopped cold emailing. And guys, I know a lot of you are scared about cold calling, but it's normal, okay? It's human. I will explain you exactly like what kind of script I use, what do I say to the owner of the place that I call to set up a meeting. I'm not the type of person who has like long script, like, you know, 2 pages script with questions, with answers, with how to handle rejections, something like this. I don't have all this. I have a script. There is like 5 lines to set up a meeting. That's all. 5 lines, it's enough. And at the meeting, that's where you have to perform, okay? I will explain you like every single steps of my cold call in the next video, all right? Because it takes time to explain and show you some examples, maybe some live cold calls, something like this. That can be very, very cool. So that was the second point. The third point is how to prepare your meeting. There is a big mistake that I usually see in social media marketing agencies, is that they have packages. I'm like, I have nothing against packages, you know, but, or I mean, yes, I have something against packages, because you're asking your clients when you arrive to the meeting what they need. But that's not how you'll get clients, guys. So first point is that every single client is different. Even every single restaurants, okay, are different. They need different stuff. So that's the first one, very important, guys. A second point, guys, you have to give the owner free value. You have to tell them, okay, I will set up Facebook campaigns for you. That's how it's gonna work, how to find everything, how to set up, how to install the pixel on their websites, how to create a funnel, for example, a sales funnel. You really have to show them, like steps by step, what you will do for them. Don't be scared that they will do it by themselves. Don't worry about that. Even if they tell you at the end of the meeting, no, we're not interested, do you really think that they will set up a right campaign, set up a right funnel, set up like everything by themselves? Man, even if they try, they will try, okay? They will see that it doesn't work, or there is something wrong, or they just can't, and they will call you back. No worries about it. Give value, free value, guys. This is important during the meeting. There is a great book about that, Jab, 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 Right Hook by Gary Vaynerchuk. You should really check that book. It's really about this, like give, and after you take. That's the basics of the sale, okay? So when you finished all this, when you finished your meeting, when you finished to present him like all what you can offer them. So after the meeting, where are the most important points right now, which is the close, okay? This is actually my favorite part, because it's at this part that you see if you did a great job during the meeting. Because when the owner will ask you, and he will, so how much? This is very important moment, because there is 2 different possible reactions. So you will tell him, yeah, so it's 1,200 for my services plus 300 for the advertising budget. And that's the moment when you will see on his face if you did a great job. If he's like, you know, stop smiling, stop thinking, and like reflection, you fucked up something, guys. Because for all the value you provide, this is a price. This is a very reasonable price. At the moment when he asks you the price, don't be scared about repeating yourself. You can say like, we'll set up the ClickFunnels for you. We'll set up your business manager. We'll create a new Facebook advertising campaign, like all the graphics, etc. We'll do all the writing stuff, the copywriting stuff for you, and we'll do some retargeting, etc., etc. like list every single point that you will do for them. So then you tell them the price and you close the client. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Of course, if you don't enjoy that video at all, if it was bullshit and something like this, also like this video, comment and share with your friends. So I see you. I see you in the next video, guys. I see you in my DMs. I see you on Instagram or in the comments. And please start your calls, take actions now and crush it. Okay, let's go.